Hey guys, hopefully all of you are having a happy new year. Decided to make a quick little video. Haven't made one in about a month or so. Always busy. So what I have for you guys, a bunch of Sega Genesis cartridges. These are all not very appealing games, sports, and whatnot. A lot of them, even if someone wanted them, they probably wouldn't want them all messed up and everything. I picked up a bunch of them. These are what's left. All the ones in not great condition. And I thought to myself, maybe it's a good idea to open these up. These are practically like memory sticks. They have the gold pins and everything, so they should be pretty good for gold recovery guys. And there's also the IC chips in these, so that was my plan. So I'm gonna open up these, and at the end of it I'm gonna weigh them and give you a price from Board Sort. Obviously, I don't cut the pins, so I won't give you the cut pin price. But I'll give you the gold pin boards with gold pins price on these, which should be still pretty good. So yeah, let's start undoing some of these. So let's start with World Series Baseball. This one has a some special screws here. So let's undo them quickly. There we go. Look at that. We might even have some steel value. I doubt it though. They're so light and small. So let's see. What do we have here? So nothing too fancy. We have the these IC chips, which I'm sure have quite a bit of gold in them, especially since they're from around obviously 96, early 90s, mid to early 90s. There's a couple in the back, and obviously we have the important gold pins. So what was in that one? Let's see what's in the next one. I doubt they'll vary much.